The first step in artificial breeding is selecting healthy, fast-growing, and disease-resistant tilapia to serve as parent stock. Farmers typically choose tilapia strains known for their high performance in controlled environments. Now, tilapia, the most commonly farmed species, is often the preferred variety due to its fast growth and ability to thrive in a range of conditions. Once suitable parent stock is selected, controlled breeding is carried out. In nature, tilapia spawn when environmental conditions are right. However, in aquaculture, this process is regulated. Artificial breeding can involve manipulating water temperature, photoperiod light cycles, and other factors to induce spawning in the broodstock. To avoid natural breeding cycles that can be hard to predict, farms often use hormonal induction. This involves injecting hormones into female tilapia to trigger egg production, which is then fertilized by male fish either manually or through controlled spawning tanks. In commercial tilapia farming, genetic management is key to ensuring desirable traits like fast growth, disease resistance, and high feed conversion rates. This process often involves selective breeding, where only the best performing individuals are allowed to reproduce. Once the fry hatch, they are moved to nursery tanks where they grow in controlled conditions. At this stage, tilapia are usually fed a highly nutritious diet designed to promote rapid growth. This diet often includes fish meal, soy, and other protein-rich materials. After fertilization, the fertilized eggs are transferred to hatcheries, where they incubate in specially designed tanks. The hatchlings, known as fry, begin life as small fish that need careful attention to thrive. In some cases, tilapia eggs are incubated in artificial conditions that promote high survival rates. Tilapia are known for their rapid reproduction and high fecundity. Female tilapia can indeed lay up to several thousand eggs in a single spawning cycle, depending on their age, size, and environmental conditions. After fertilization, the male tilapia releases sperm to externally fertilize the eggs that the female has laid. However, what really sets tilapia apart is their mouth-brooding behavior. After fertilization, the female carries the fertilized eggs in her oral cavity, which acts as a protective incubator. The mother keeps the eggs in her mouth, ensuring they remain safe from predators and environmental stress. During this period, the eggs develop into fry young fish, and once they are ready to swim, the mother will release them into the surrounding water. This transition is crucial, as you mentioned, because the young tilapia must be moved gradually to ensure they don't experience temperature shock or oxygen stress, which can be detrimental to their survival. To minimize any shock to the fish, tilapia farmers carefully monitor and regulate water temperatures, oxygen levels, and other environmental factors when moving fish between tanks or ponds. In the main farming pond, tilapia grow quickly because of their adaptability to different environmental conditions, including variations in water quality and temperature. These characteristics make tilapia ideal species for farming in a wide range of geographical locations and water systems, from freshwater ponds and lakes to more controlled systems like recirculating aquaculture systems (RAS). Once they are transferred to the main ponds, tilapia quickly adapt to the new environment, becoming stable in their growth patterns and water conditions. As a species, tilapia are known for their hardiness and ability to survive in less than ideal conditions, which is why they are commonly farmed in both tropical and subtropical regions. In fact, tilapia can tolerate a wide range of temperatures, from about 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and can thrive in ponds with varying oxygen levels, though optimal conditions still promote the fastest growth and highest survival rates. At the farm, tilapia are fed a nutritionally balanced pellet feed, which is designed to promote rapid growth and uniform size. These pellets are carefully formulated with the right combination of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, and minerals to meet the fish's dietary needs. The aim is to ensure optimal health, quick growth, and high-quality meat. As you mentioned, the workers on the production line must operate in a highly synchronized manner. This is crucial for maintaining production speed while ensuring that the tilapia are processed efficiently and with minimal waste. Any delays or bottlenecks can disrupt the entire flow, leading to loss of time, potential damage to the fish, or compromised quality. At each station, workers must be quick yet careful, making sure that no one part of the line is delayed. For example, as fish are transferred from the sorting area, workers in the skinning and filleting areas must be prepared to handle the incoming fish without slowing down the process. To prevent bottlenecks, the production line is typically designed to have multiple workers performing similar tasks like skinning or filleting in parallel, which ensures the continuous flow of fish from one stage to the next. Automated systems such as conveyors, skinning machines, and filleting tools also help speed up the process and ensure a uniform product. Kangaroos, particularly eastern gray kangaroos, red kangaroos, and antilopine kangaroos, are known for their fascinating reproductive strategy. Their ability to give birth to underdeveloped joeys and nurture them inside their mother's pouch is truly remarkable. Australia's kangaroo population, which is significantly larger than its human population, offers a unique opportunity to address ecological and food industry needs. In fact, kangaroos are often considered an invasive species due to their overpopulation in certain areas, causing damage to the environment, such as overgrazing and depletion of vegetation. Hunting kangaroos is not only an environmentally sustainable practice, but also offers a high-quality meat source for the food industry. Overpopulation of kangaroos has led to land degradation, particularly in regions where grazing pressure has destroyed native plants and disturbed ecosystems. By harvesting kangaroos, the population can be managed, helping reduce the environmental damage caused by overgrazing and promoting biodiversity restoration. Regulated kangaroo hunting and management programs can be an effective way to maintain a balance in the ecosystem. Kangaroo meat is often hailed as one of the healthiest meats available. It is lean, high in protein, and low in fat compared to traditional meats like beef and lamb. It's also rich in iron and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a highly nutritious choice for consumers. Kangaroo meat has a distinct flavor, lean, slightly gamey, and rich in taste. It's incredibly versatile in cooking, suitable for grilling, roasting, stewing, and even being used in sausages or burgers. Chefs and food enthusiasts have begun to appreciate kangaroo meat for its unique flavor profile and its adaptability in various dishes, from traditional Australian meals to contemporary fusion recipes. There must be a balance between the sustainable harvesting of kangaroos to ensure that their populations are kept in check and the preservation of ecosystems. Australia already has a well-regulated system for harvesting kangaroos, with strict guidelines on the number of animals that can be culled and how they are processed. This ensures that kangaroo hunting does not negatively impact kangaroo populations and that the meat produced is safe and of high quality. Kangaroos are iconic symbols of Australia, and they play a unique role in the country's natural heritage and its food industry. By responsibly managing kangaroo populations and utilizing them as a sustainable food source, Australia can promote ecological balance while offering a nutritious and versatile meat for global markets. Meat is not only a healthy alternative but also supports efforts to address the environmental challenges posed by kangaroo overpopulation. Your journey through kangaroo meat highlights the potential of sustainable practices and responsible resource management in creating a harmonious relationship between food production and ecological preservation. By supporting ethical harvesting, awareness campaigns, and responsible consumption, kangaroo meat can become an important part of both Australia's culinary heritage and the global food industry. As you've mentioned, kangaroo meat is packaged and stored under ideal conditions to ensure it remains fresh and free from contamination. This process is essential for maintaining the high quality of the meat as it moves through the supply chain and reaches consumers. The use of vacuum-sealed bags is crucial in preserving the meat's freshness by eliminating air, which can lead to oxidation and the growth of bacteria. Vacuum sealing ensures that the meat retains its taste, texture, and nutritional quality until it reaches the consumer. For larger shipments, kangaroo meat is often packed into secure containers that provide additional protection from external contaminants and help maintain the meat at the right temperature, whether refrigerated or frozen. After processing, the meat is sent to retail locations and distributors worldwide. As demand for sustainable protein continues to grow, kangaroo meat is gaining popularity, especially in markets where consumers are becoming more conscious about the environmental impact of their food choices. Efficient transport and proper storage are key to making sure the meat stays fresh and arrives in perfect condition for sale. In addition to its meat, kangaroo leather is also a highly prized product, known for its strength, lightweight nature, and aesthetic appeal. It's used to make a wide variety of items, from footwear and gloves to fashion accessories and sports equipment. Kangaroo leather is often considered one of the strongest and most flexible animal leathers available. Despite its strength, it is much lighter than other types of leather, making it ideal for products that need to balance durability with comfort, such as high-performance sports gear, motorcycle gloves, and luxury handbags. Aside from its practical benefits, kangaroo leather also has an attractive grain and texture that gives it a distinctive and luxurious look. Many fashion brands and designers use it for premium leather goods, taking advantage of its sleek finish and fine texture. This journey has highlighted the potential of kangaroo meat and kangaroo leather to meet the growing demands for both sustainable protein and eco-friendly materials. As we move toward more conscious and responsible consumption, kangaroo products have a key role to play in creating a greener, more sustainable world. Thank you for sharing this fascinating adventure, and I look forward to seeing where our next exploration will take us.